Well, you can really feel that tightness right here. Yep. Just like that. That wasn't so bad, was it? A little tap right there.
It feels amazing.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad, was
No,
it?
it feels good.
What is going on, crack addicts? Welcome back to the channel. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be posting a wide variety of chiropractic adjustments from some of your favorite chiropractors with some new additions. Also, all of their links will be in the description. That's where you can check them out directly. Now, let's get into it, and I'll see you on the next one. Up next, we have Dr. Gregory Johnson.
We have Amaris here with us this afternoon, and Amaris is an athletic individual who does weight training, 5-6 days a week?
Yeah.
And we're just going to check her spine to see if she needs any chiropractic adjustments. Okay, actually her posture is pretty good. Her head's forward in her posture and a little bit down on her head here, but it's still in the center, which is good. You're a side sleeper though, aren't you? Yeah?
Yes.
This way most of the time.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to have you sit right here and face that way for a second. I'm going to do some tests on you first. Tell me if you have any pain in your spine anywhere when I do that. Does that hurt anywhere? Right there? Okay, how about when I go back into the left? Did that hurt on the left side?
Yeah.
Okay, how about when you just tilt this way? Same scenario. Does this make that better, same, or worse?
Worse.
Oh, tighten up through here.
Mm-hmm.
Does this make that better, same, or worse?
Worse.
Yep. Now, here's a really important question. Does this feel better, same, or worse?
Worse.
Oop, there's a problem.
Is it really there?
No, I'm
Oh.
just kidding. We like to play around here, have fun, especially after hours. Okay, relax your leg. There you go. This is why I don't stand out in front of people and leave. Okay, so let's have you laid on your tummy for me. You might want to take your cap off for just a sec. There we go. Her Jordans are even. Are those Jordans or Pumas?
Puma.
Oh, they're Pumas. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to insult your shoes. See, that's a little tender right there, though, huh?
Yes,
In your
the
SI
right
joints.
side.
Yep, right there. Okay, put that one down. Do the same thing with the left one. Was one of those harder than the other?
The right one?
This one over here?
Yeah.
Okay. And that's a little tender right there, too, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's got her sacrum and SI joint on the right, and she's got L5 and L4 also rotated posterior right. The spinous deviated to the left, which makes the zygapophyseal process or the facets stick out more on that right side, so you get paravertebral muscle hypertonicity over there. Now that's tender right there too, though.
Yeah, it's tight.
And you got some knots in your shoulders too. Haven't missed any yet, have I?
Mm-mm.
C5 and 6 on the left and right. And there, the atlas, there you get headaches there every once in a while. Yep, okay, you ready to feel better? Then relax. There we go. Now see when she's got rotation down here, you notice I'm coming a little bit right to left on this as well as P to A in the Z axis. There's L5. I'm just going to do a little stretch on you here now. Well, you can really feel that tightness right here.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to get that right now. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm. Crack addicts are going to love you. There we go. I got you. That's it. I still got one more. I bet you this feels a little easier already than that first one did. Can you tell?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now I'm getting ready to do an adjustment on her that y'all don't see me do that often. I'm going to do a side posture on her SI joints and her sacrum. Towards me. And put your head on that pillow there. I'm going to bring your hips out front here. We're going to bend this top leg here. Have you had this one before?
Yeah.
Okay. There it is, right there. Okay, now let's turn the other side up. And bring this around this way a little bit. I'm going to bring you out to the front. Okay, just let this all relax here. Okay, let me have you. I won't let you fall. Okay. There we go. You're going to feel your head popping up again. This way just a little bit. There you go. There. Yep. Now slide down a little bit more. And put your arm straight out to the sides like this. And get your clavicles and your AC joints here and your costo-sternal joints, those upper ribs we were talking about. Yep. Oh yeah. You feel that?
Yeah.
Should have felt that in your knee and your back.
Too.
On your ankle too? Okay, just let this go limp. There we go. Good job. Let's sit you. Face that way for a sec. Yeah. Right shoulder's moving good. Yeah. He's the
Somebody
shark.
else told you?
Greg Norman from Australia.
The
Golfer.
The golfer, yeah.
That's his logo from down under.
He was telling me
Great
about
white
that.
shark. Yep. Okay, now we're going to do Amherst's very first ring dinger. So.
Ross says it's like it's a bad thing.
It's not bad for your back. You might not like it much, but it's not bad.
Why don't
for
you like it?
That was good.
Yeah. To show them you're kicking beforehand and you'll be kicking afterwards. Come on, put this under your hair here, Amherst. Yeah. You just got to feel some light traction in your neck. Just breathe through your nose. Mm-hmm. Just like that. That wasn't so bad, was it?
No.
You felt that all the way down, though, didn't you?
All the way down my spine.
That's why we call it the ring dinger. And see, she's still kicking. Yes, ma'am. Good job.
It's a
Very
lot
nice.
of cracking.
Yep. You noisy. Like I said, the crack addicts are going to be loving you. And I'm going to have you close your eyes again and bend your head forward and backwards. Remember how this feels. Look at that. You're right down. Look how your head's up more now.
Oh, yeah.
See, your chin's up more and your shoulders are back more. Just going to do this, and we're going to bring your head straight back and look straight up. You're going to feel a little tap right there. You're going to feel another little tap right there. Okay, now I want you to relax again and do that again. I bet you this feels smoother. Try it and see. Feel smoother than the previous one? Choking him with the time, wrapping around his occiput and mandible. There you go. I know you felt that one all the way down, didn't you?
All the way.
Yep.
Everywhere.
Yep. And looky there, you're still kicking. Good. Yes, sir. Tilt right. No, one more. That's it. Is the physics of biology that I'm working on him now. It's called biophysics. There you go. Object in motion tends to stay in motion. So when I use the drop pieces on the table and I'm putting a specific directional high velocity longitude thrust into them, my pressure on my hand and then the vertebra continue to move. The table drops, the spine, the vertebrae itself, the facets, they keep moving. Okay, let's turn his paws to just the posture. There you go. Good. Okay. Just relax on you. Hands on you. Tell me there, please, sir. There you go. Should have felt that from your ankle all the way up to your low back. Cool. Okay, same here. There you go. Super. Okay, let's sit you up, face this way this time. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me. I used to play golf out at Kingwood Country Club. Is that open back up yet?
Oh yeah.
From Harvey? Yeah.
Yep.
Do you guys get flooded out there?
Pretty often.
I'm sorry?
I have no room for patients.
Imagine that.
Oh, sorry.
Okie doke, my friend. Just relax. And have you flex your head forward and backwards again. And then neutral. Look at that one now, Matthew. You're right down the gut on the x-axis, the y-axis, and the z-axis. You have any pain anywhere right now?
No, it's cleared away.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more.